Hello teachers, so here I am going to make a video on how to delete a meeting from the calendar. So what problem we are facing right now, that after completion of one meeting, students are still using the same link. They are getting into that meeting and they can do chat. So for that, one solution we can do that after completion of the class, when we are ending the class, then after we will delete the meeting, because we are going to create one more meeting for next class. So for that, what we can do, we can go to the team. As my team is already selected, as you can see, all the teams are there. So say I want to delete my previous meeting from class 8. So I'll go into the under class 8B, and then I'll go to the mathematics is my subject. So as you can see, this all are my previous meeting. So if I select one meeting, I'll create one more meeting for my coming class. So this all are previous meeting created yesterday. This is created yesterday and this is for today's class only. So I'll delete both the meeting. So I'll go to that three dot option and I'll delete it. Again I'll go to that three dot option and I'll delete it. So there will be no more meeting. After that you will create a new meeting and the students can only see the new meeting. So it will not create any more confusion. You will have a single link to join in for a class. There will be no, because in case of team, what is happening, the link will not expire. It will be with like the link will be active, so student can use that link. So we can actually delete that link from the channel so that it will not be there with the students anymore. So how it will look, I'll go to the calendar. I have deleted the meeting, so I can show it to you. Once I will delete the meeting, how it will look. See, this class I have already deleted. This class of Tuesday I have already deleted. As you can see, it is deleted. Yeah, I think it is cancelled. Yeah, like that way it will show the line it will strike off. So like that way you can delete. And if you go to the teams, then you can see a single meeting. Like I'll show it to you once. Say I have a class in 11 science A in computer science channel. If I go, there are two meetings and the other meeting I have deleted. If I go to 12 science B, I'll go to the computer science channel. You can see only one meeting and the other meeting I have deleted. I have taken the class and I have deleted the meeting. So you will have a single meeting, you will have a single link to join in. Thank you so much.